Group of high school students is interested in understanding how the number of hours they spend on social media affects their GPA. So social media is the explanatory and GPA is the response. Okay, it says that they conduct a study and find the correlation coefficient between these two variables to be negative 0.8. Well, the correlation coefficient tells you how well the dots in a scatter plot follow a straight line. And in this case, the line is negative. So this has a correlation or a scatter plot that would look maybe something like that. It's got negative, and it's fairly linear because 0.8 is considered very strong. Okay, there's where 0.8 falls, which is very strong. So we have a very strong negative relationship. Okay, now when you know the R value, it tells you direction and it tells you strength. So negative 0.8, like I said, is negative and strong. And what negative means, as social media goes up, GPA goes down. That's what negative implies. So it says the direction of which of the following is incorrect. So we're looking for the one that is false. Okay. The direction of the association between GPA and hours on social media is negative. Well, we know that's true. In fact, it's negative 0.8. The least squares regression line accounts for 64% of the variability in the GPA. Okay, now that's true. So what this is talking about, this value right here, okay, that's called R squared. And you get that by taking the square root, or by taking your R and squaring it. So if R is negative 0.8, then R squared, I'm going to take that value, square it, and I get 0.64. Okay, that we called that the coefficient of, that's this on your study sheet. Okay, 64% of the variation in GPA can be explained by the linear relationship with hours on social media. So this is true. This is a correct interpretation of the coefficient of determination. All right, the least squares line captures 80% of the observed values of social media. Okay, this is an incorrect interpretation of negative 0.8.
You've been invited to a potluck by Mrs. Russell.
Oh, okay.
She sent you an email, but this is also.
All right, thanks. So C is your false statement. This is an incorrect interpretation of what the negative 0.8 is telling you. So our incorrect statement on this question is C.